Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what makes a sentence flow smoothly or why certain words fit together perfectly? Today, we're exploring an essential grammar topic, parts of speech. Mastering them will help you write more clearly, speak more confidently, and express your ideas with ease. So, let's get started. Can you think of a sentence right now? Try breaking it down. What words are naming something, showing an action, or linking ideas? Let's take a look at an example. The cheerful girl quickly ran to the park. Now, let's break it down. The determiner tells us that we're talking specific person. Cheerful, adjective, describes the girl. What kind of girl is she? Girl, noun, is the subject of the sentence, it's the person doing the action. Quickly, adverb, tells us how she ran. Ran, verb, is the action happening in the sentence. To, preposition, shotion. The determiner specifies which park. Park, noun, is the place she ran to. As you can see, each word has a role. In simple terms, parts of speech are the categories that tell us how words function in a sentence. Think of them as the building blocks of language. Traditionally, there are 8 parts of speech. Let's go through them one by one. Nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, pronouns, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Wait. What about determiners? Some grammar experts recognize determiners as a 9th part of speech because they function differently from adjectives. What are determiners? Determiners are words like the, a, and, this, that, some, and many. For example, the dog, determiner, versus big dog, adjective. See the difference? The tells us which dog, while big describes it. Just like a house is built with different materials, bricks, wood, and cement, language is built using different parts of speech. Parts of speech are the foundation of language. They shape how we express ideas and communicate actions. Think of it this way, every part of speech has a specific role, just like different parts of a house. Without doors, windows, or walls, a house wouldn't be complete. Similarly, without nouns, verbs, adjectives, and other parts of speech, a sentence wouldn't make sense. As we move forward, we'll explore each part of speech in more detail, so you can see how they all come together to form meaningful sentences. So, the first part of speech is noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns are a fundamental part of a language and used to identify and describe things in the world. As we speak, we come across many words that are classified as nouns. For example, John is the name of a person. A dog is an animal. A pen is a thing. Singapore is the name of a place. Happiness is an idea. Can you think about more nouns? Nouns are names for people, places, and things. But saying them again and again can be boring. That's where pronouns come in. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of saying Sarah is kind, Sarah helps others, we can say Sarah is kind. She helps others. The word she takes the place of Sarah. Common pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These help make sentences clearer and less repetitive. Pronouns replace nouns to make sentences clear, but words alone aren't enough. We need something to show what's happening. That's where verbs help. Verbs are action words that bring sentences to life and make them meaningful. Imagine a sentence without a verb, she, fast, or they. English. Confusing, right? Now, let's add verbs. She runs fast. Now it makes sense. They speak English. Now we know what they do. Verbs add action to our sentences, but sometimes we need more details. How does someone run? How well do they speak? Where is something happening? These details are conveyed through adverbs. They make sentences more interesting by giving extra details about verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. She runs quickly. How does she run? Quickly. He speaks very well. How well does he speak? Very well. They are here. Where are they? Here. Adjectives. These words help us describe nouns and pronouns, adding depth and detail to our sentences. They can indicate color, size, shape, or emotions. For example, words like blue, happy, tall, and friendly help paint a clearer picture in our minds. Next, we have conjunctions. These are the connectors of language, linking words, phrases, or clauses together. They help us combine ideas smoothly. Common examples include and, but, or, yet, and so. For instance, I love learning about grammar, but I need to practice more. The next part of speech is the preposition. A preposition connects a noun or pronoun to another word, showing direction, location, time, or relationship. Let's look into some examples. The book is on the table. On tells us the location of the book. She walked to the park. Here to tells us the direction of her movement. We met at 6 p.m. Here it tells us the time of the meeting. He sat with his friend. In this sentence with tells us the relationship between him and his friend. Other examples of prepositions include in, upon, across, behind, and under. Prepositions play a crucial role in sentences by specifying how a noun or relates to other words, providing clarity in direction, location, time, or association. An interjection is one of the 8 parts of speech. It is used to express strong emotions or sudden feelings such as surprise, joy, pain, or excitement. Interjections often stand alone and are followed by an exclamation mark in writing. Examples: wow. This place looks amazing. Oh. I didn't see you there. Oops. I dropped my phone. Interjections add emotion to sentences but are not grammatically connected to other words in the sentence. Let's talk about determiners, an essential part of sentence structure that helps specify which noun is being referred to. Determiners help specify which noun we are talking about. They provide clarity and detail to our sentences. For example, in this book and some apples, the words this and some help define the nouns. A determiner is often required for clarity. Compare these two sentences. I saw a cat. I saw cat. The first sentence is correct because it tells us that we are referring to a single, unspecified cat. Without a determiner, the second sentence feels incomplete. Determiners usually come before adjective sentence. Words like a, the, some, this, and my appear before descriptive words. For example, the big house. My old car. Here, the and my help specify the noun while the adjectives big and old provide more description. Now that we have learned about the different parts of speech, let's put our knowledge to the test by identifying them in sentences. 1. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. The word cat is a noun because it names a person, place, or thing. 2. She runs every morning. The word runs is a verb because it shows action. 3. It was a beautiful sunset. The word beautiful is an adjective because it describes the noun sunset. 4. He spoke softly to the baby. The word softly is an adverb because it describes how he spoke. 5. They are going to the concert. The word they is a pronoun because it replaces a noun. 6. The book is under the table. The word under is a preposition because it shows location. 7. I wanted to go out, but it started raining. The word but is a conjunction because it connects two ideas. 8. Wow. That was an amazing goal. The word is an interjection because it expresses strong emotion. Now it's your turn. Wow. Jack quickly ate the big red apple on the table and then he smiled. Great. Now try identifying the parts of speech in this sentence. That's all for now. More coming soon. Stay connected.